Hello, everybody. Earlier, when another video on was talking about the visualizations, I had mentioned a couple other manufacturers and how they can do a web visu, or you could not do a traditional HMI. There's one manufacturer that I do know that the TargetVisu might not work too well, and the web visu would be the way to go. And I'm gonna run through that for you real quick. On the screen here, as I said, I like to start up blank. I have a virtual machine for all the ABB software. So this is ABB Automation Builder version 2.7. And I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to start a project real quick. It's the same no matter what PLC you use. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do a AC500 project, and we're just going to kind of fly through that. So we're gonna pick a version 3 PLC. We'll just do the Eco one real quick because it's the same and all, and it's a small little PLC. So uh, let's see, let's do the dual Ethernet. This 5082 is only available in Europe right now. But so we'll pick this PM5072. It's got two Ethernet ports on it. It's got web server capability, some OK space, but we'll go ahead and we'll just add this PLC to our project. Where, as in the raw CODESYS, we had a giant list of, okay, we're doing this control, we're doing that. ABB kind of takes CODESYS's um, um, I'm drawing a blank here, and I'm so sorry, folks. It is uh I'm sorry. I'm completely drawing a blank right now. They take their source code and they put a wrapper on it, kind of like Wagyu used to do back in the day. Uh, ABB is kind of close to as about as normal raw coders as you can get. It's not completely raw like IFM or anything. ABB puts all their EDS files and all of their libraries and everything else to make it easier for you. Um, as you can see here, they don't give us the option to start up and ladder logic or anything else, but you can delete this and rename it and do everything else. As I stated, this piece of equipment has two Ethernet ports here, and they are different subnets. So depending upon which one that you want the web server to run on, is something that you'll have to decide. Uh, and it's as simple as like we'll once again the same thing as regular code assist. We're going to go here and we're going to right click. We're going to add an object, and their menu, as you can see, looks a little different than the drop down menu. And we're going to just throw in a visualization manager here, so that way we can get started. Once again, see how the menu is exactly the same. I always do the symbols, so we are going to throw that in there. Wait on that to load. Don't know, I'm drinking a beer right now, so I don't know if you can hear the liquid or not, but sorry about that. Uh, and you can see here in our visualization manager, like when we were on the Windows control for raw CODESYS, we had a TargetVisu, but here we only had the webvisu. And we're going to need to create a visualization real quick to uh, so that way I can walk through the setup of that real quick. So we're going to add an object again. Let's scroll down and we're going to say visualization. And we're just going to name it visualization just for this video real quick. Just like my regular CODESYS video, you could name this anything you wanted. So we're going to double click on webvisu, our start visualization. We can click the ellipses here. Our only visualization is this one. So we're going to click OK. Update rate, we'll just leave all of this the way it is. They kind of default this already to handle touches mouse events and yada yada yada. So now what we're going to do is how you do this is if we were going to put this on Ethernet 1, so this would be the top port on that PLC, we can right click on that and we're going to say add objects. And then we have EtherCAT, we have Ethernet IP. It will allow you to put EtherCAT on here. I don't recommend that. Uh, just the clock rate and everything's a little different on this one. But you can see where it says web server. This is what we need in order to be able to get the web visualizations to pop up. So I'm just going to add object, and that's all you have to do for the ABB. And that counts for any ABB PLC you do. It doesn't matter if it's for the version 3 ones. It doesn't matter if it's the Eco line, if it's the $8,000 5650 with 80 megs and 600 megahertz processing speed or anything like that. If you want to utilize the web visualizations, and after you load this in here or even before, you just select which port you want to use and you have to add this web server. And if you double click this web server, you can change your ports and do everything like that if you want to. But you can use pretty much, I mean, the standard one, but depending upon what your facility or architecture or what your spec says that you need to do, you can go about changing those parameters here. And that's really it. Uh, and on the ABB, and I'll make a video in the part 2 of the regular CODESYS HMI. But on the ABB, if you just type in the IP address of the PLC of that Ethernet port where you're at, just the IP, no ports, no nothing like that, ABB will immediately display the visualization for you. So that is one thing that's very, very nice about this. And hopefully this helps some people out. I know there's not a lot of videos about ABB, so if there is, please let me know, and I can make some more. I've got 4 or 5 different installations of ABB in my virtual machine here. I did reach out, and in the process of reaching out to a few of them to be sure it's okay if I show their actual PLC and do all the stuff. As I'm very new to this, don't I don't want to mess up or make anybody angry. So uh, anyway, hope you enjoyed. If you liked it, like it. If not, it's okay. Peace, love, and happiness. Y'all have a good day.